Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on YouTube. So it's very easy. You should open your browser and type ad blocker Chrome, okay? And then this is the link where you can download the ad blocker on Google Chrome. Download and install ad block for Google Chrome now. So click on that. So here, just click on download ad block for Google Chrome. Click on that and add to Google Chrome. Add extension. So if you install this extension on your Google Chrome, YouTube ads will not be played. That's actually how you can download and install ad blocker. Just close the tab and go to YouTube, okay, and then play any video without any ads. As you can see, for example, I'm going to play this one. No ads will play. And if I play, for example, this one, without any ads. That's how you can actually block ads on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. See you in the next video.